Welcome back to English with Tom and Anna.
where we make English easy, fun, and actually useful in real life.
And hey, before we start, if you want to improve your English step by step,
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps us.
and it makes Anna very happy.
Yes, it does. I smile more when people subscribe.
That's true, I've seen it.
All right, Tom, let's introduce ourselves properly.
I'm Tom,
And I'm Anna.
and today we're going to teach you something super important.
How to make sentences easily, step by step,
No stress, no confusion.
even if you're a complete beginner.
So, Anna, let me ask you something.
Go ahead.
What is a sentence?
Oh no, are we starting with a test?
Yes, pop quiz.
Okay, a sentence is, words?
That's not wrong, but also not enough.
Words that make sense?
Now we're getting closer.
Words that express a complete idea?
Yes, that's it.
Oh no, I got it.
You did. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Teacher Tom.
So guys, remember this. A sentence is a group of words that gives a complete meaning.
Like, I eat,
Perfect. Very simple sentence.
or she is happy.
Exactly.
But Tom, why do sentences feel so hard?
Good question. Because many learners try to make long sentences too early.
Oh yes, I've done that.
Instead, start simple. Very simple.
Like baby sentences?
Yes, baby sentences are powerful.
That sounds funny.
But it's true. Let's start with the most basic structure.
Okay, I'm ready.
Subject plus verb.
That's it?
That's it.
That sounds too easy.
It is easy. For example, I run.
Subject, I, verb, run.
Perfect.
She sleeps.
Yes.
They laugh.
Great.
Wait, this is actually easy.
See, you already know how to make sentences.
Wow, I feel smarter already.
You are smarter. You just needed clarity.
Okay, but Tom, what if I want to say more?
Then we add one more thing.
Let me guess. More words?
Yes, we add an object.
So now it becomes subject, verb, object?
Exactly.
Give me an example.
I eat apples.
Oh, nice.
Subject, I. Verb, eat. Object, apples.
Let me try. She reads a book.
Perfect.
We watch TV.
Excellent.
This is actually fun.
Told you.
But Tom, sometimes I get confused about verbs.
That's normal. Let's simplify it.
Please do.
Think of verbs as actions.
Like run, eat, sleep?
Yes,
And also think, love, want?
exactly. Those are also verbs.
Okay, I like that.
Now let's practice together.
Yes, practice time.
I'll say a subject. You make a sentence.
Okay, let's go.
I.
I eat rice.
Good. She.
She drinks water.
Nice. They.
They play football.
Very good.
This feels like a game.
Learning should feel like a game.
I agree.
Now let's make it a little more interesting.
Uh-oh, level up?
Yes, level 2.
I'm ready, I think.
Now we add time or place.
What do you mean?
For example, I eat apples in the morning.
Oh, more information.
Exactly.
So now the sentence is longer, but still simple.
Yes.
Let me try. She reads a book at night.
Perfect.
They play football in the park.
Excellent.
Wow, sentences are growing.
Like a tree.
A sentence tree.
Yes. Small seed, big tree.
That's a nice image.
Now let's talk about something important.
What?
Word order.
Oh no, that sounds scary.
Don't worry, it's simple.
Okay.
English usually follows this order. Subject plus verb plus object plus extra information.
So, I eat apples in the morning.
Exactly.
Not, I apples eat.
No, that sounds strange.
Yeah, that does.
So, always remember the order.
Got it.
Now let's talk about something fun.
I like fun.
Questions.
Oh yes, I always struggle with questions.
Let's fix that.
Please.
Basic question, do you eat apples?
Oh, we add do.
Yes, for simple present tense.
So instead of you eat apples, we say do you eat apples?
Correct.
Let me try. Do you like coffee?
Perfect.
Do they play football?
Very good.
This is easier than I thought.
Because we're doing it step by step.
I like this method.
Now let's add a little humor.
Oh no, what are you going to say?
Do you eat pizza every day?
I wish.
Same.
But no, I don't.
Good answer.
What about you, Tom?
I eat pizza emotionally.
What does that mean?
When I'm sad.
That's funny and relatable.
See, English can be emotional too.
I like that.
Now let's talk about negatives.
Oh yes, very important.
Instead of I eat apples, we say I do not eat apples.
Or I don't eat apples.
Exactly.
Let me try. She doesn't like coffee.
Perfect.
She doesn't play football.
Excellent.
This is starting to feel natural.
That's the goal.
Tom, can we do a mini conversation?
Of course.
Okay, I'll start.
Go ahead.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, too much.
That's not good.
I know.
Do you drink tea?
No, I don't.
Interesting.
Your turn.
Do you like English?
Yes, I love English.
Good answer.
Do you like this lesson?
Yes, I do.
Great.
Guys, now it's your turn.
Yes, speak with us.
Repeat after me. I make sentences.
I make sentences.
I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
Wow, that feels powerful,
Words have power.
especially when you say them.
Exactly.
Tom, can we talk about common mistakes?
Yes, very important.
Sometimes I say, she go to school.
Ah, classic mistake.
What's wrong?
It should be she goes to school.
Oh, the S.
Yes, for he, she, it, we add s or es.
Okay, he eats, she runs, it works.
Perfect.
That's easy to remember.
Good.
Tom, I feel more confident already.
That's amazing.
But I still want more practice.
Don't worry, we're just getting started.
Really?
Yes, in the next part,
We'll go deeper?
much deeper.
With more examples?
Yes,
More conversations?
of course.
And maybe a story?
Definitely a story.
I love stories.
Me too. All right, Anna, are you ready to go deeper into sentence making?
I am ready, Tom, and honestly, I'm excited now. Before, I was scared of sentences. Now I feel like, okay, I can do this.
That's exactly what we want. Confidence first, perfection later.
I like that line. I'm going to remember it.
Good. Now let's continue from where we left.
Yes, we learned simple sentences, questions, negatives.
And now we're going to make sentences more natural, like real-life English.
Oh, this is important.
Very important, because real people don't speak like textbooks.
True. People speak fast and sometimes messy.
Exactly. So let's learn natural patterns.
Okay, teach me.
Let's take a simple sentence. I eat apples.
Yes.
Now we make it more real. I usually eat apples in the morning.
Oh, usually.
Yes, we add frequency words.
Like always, usually, sometimes, never.
Perfect.
I sometimes drink coffee.
Good.
She always wakes up early.
Excellent.
They never watch TV.
Very nice.
These words make sentences more interesting.
Exactly. They show your habits.
Tom, where do we put these words?
Good question. Usually before the main verb.
So, I always eat, not I eat always.
Correct.
Okay, got it.
Now let's make it more emotional.
Emotional English. I like that.
Instead of I eat apples, say I really like eating apples.
Oh, that sounds nicer.
Yes, native speakers often use like, love, hate.
Let me try. I love drinking tea.
Good.
I hate waking up early.
Same.
Haha, I knew it.
Now let's build a small real-life conversation.
Okay.
Imagine you're at a cafe.
Oh, nice. I like cafes.
I'll start. Hi, what would you like?
I want coffee.
Good. Now make it more natural.
I would like a coffee.
Perfect.
Or, can I have a coffee?
Excellent. That's very natural.
Oh, wow. This feels like real English.
Because it is.
Anna, can we do more daily phrases?
Yes, let's do a big set.
I'm ready.
Repeat after me. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I'm busy.
I'm busy.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
I think so.
I think so.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Very good.
These are so useful.
Yes, you can use them every day.
Tom, can we do a short dialogue using these?
Let's do it.
I'll start.
Go ahead.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Let's eat.
Good idea.
That was smooth.
Very smooth.
I feel like I'm actually speaking now.
You are speaking.
Tom, can we talk about phrasal verbs?
Ah, the scary topic.
Yes, they confuse me.
Let's make it simple.
Please.
First one, wake up.
That means open your eyes in the morning?
Yes.
I wake up at 7.
Good.
Next.
Sit down.
Easy. Please sit down.
Good.
Stand up.
Yes.
Turn on.
Like, turn on the light.
Oh, yes.
Turn off.
Turn off the TV.
Perfect.
These are actually easy when you see them like this.
Exactly. Don't overthink.
Tom, can we create a mini story?
Yes, this will help a lot.
I love stories.
Okay, listen carefully.
I'm listening.
Okay. I wake up at 7 in the morning.
Okay.
I get up and drink water.
Good start.
Then I make breakfast.
Nice.
I eat and watch TV.
Relaxing.
After that, I go to work.
Very normal life.
Now you continue.
Okay. I come back home in the evening.
Good.
I feel tired.
Real.
I eat dinner and sleep.
Perfect.
That was easy.
See, you just made a full story.
Wow, I didn't think I could do that.
You can.
Guys, did you notice? We used simple sentences.
Yes, simple sentences are powerful.
Tom, can we do speaking practice?
Yes, repeat after me again.
Okay.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I meet people.
I meet people.
I learn English.
I learn English.
I improve every day.
I improve every day.
Excellent.
This feels really motivating.
That's the idea.
Tom, what about longer sentences?
Good question. We connect ideas.
How?
Using words like and, but, because.
Oh, connectors.
Yes.
Example?
I am tired, but I work.
Nice.
I eat because I am hungry.
That makes sense.
I wake up early and go to work.
Let me try. I study English because I want to improve.
Perfect.
I am tired, but I continue.
Very good.
This makes sentences more powerful.
Exactly.
Tom, I feel like I'm thinking in English now.
That's a big step.
I'm proud of myself.
You should be.
Guys, you should be proud too.
Yes, seriously.
If you followed this lesson...
You are already improving.
Now, Tom, should we summarize?
Yes, let's do a quick recap.
Okay.
Step 1, start simple.
Subject plus verb.
Step 2, add object.
Make it clearer.
Step 3, add time or place.
Make it real.
Step 4, use questions and negatives.
Ask and answer.
Step 5, add feelings and frequency.
Make it natural.
Step 6, use connectors.
Make it longer and better.
Perfect summary.
Thank you.
Now, before we end,
We have a question for you.
yes,
Write one sentence in the comments.
just one simple sentence.
Like, I learn English every day.
Or, I like this lesson.
We will read your sentences.
And maybe reply to you.
So don't be shy.
Practice is everything.
And finally,
If you enjoyed this lesson,
like, share, and subscribe.
join our learning family.
And keep practicing every day.
Because English is not difficult.
You just need the right method.
And a little confidence.
And maybe a little coffee.
Definitely coffee.
Bye, everyone.
See you in the next lesson.